Hello again, and welcome to Module 3, Lesson 3 Overview. This week we are focusing on global weather patterns. There are 4 objectives that we are going to be covering throughout this lesson, and that is to be able to describe the factors that affect air pressure, describe how jet streams and ocean currents affect weather, identify common fronts and air masses, and describe how different types of weather are formed. Be sure to take a look at the most recent announcement in your Updates tab. This week we will have our live meet sessions at our regular scheduled time, which is Tuesday at 12 and Thursday at 9 Eastern Standard Time. This week's assignment, Module 3, Lesson 3, Global Weather Patterns, has 5 steps to complete. The first step is to make sure that you are watching this video. Next, I would like for you to read Module 3, Lesson 3, Slides 1 through 7. After you have completed that, or as long as you are following along with your slides, you should be able to complete your Global Weather Patterns guided notes. The next step is to take a look at your Global Weather's Pattern Activity Grading Rubric. There are 4 sections that your assignment will be critiqued on: your background, slideshow technology, slideshow content, and slideshow images. In order to be successful in all categories, please take a look at the Skilled Scientist column. To maximize the amount of points that you receive, you must include and answer all questions based on the text and images in the presentation, use an effective presentation program and follow the slideshow template guidelines, include all the required content and have few errors in spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Last, include all required images and clearly clarified information, illustrated ideas, and added interest to the slideshow. All images must be cited appropriately. There is a section which I will show later for you to access the APA or MLA formatting for citations. To access your Google Slides assignment, you are simply going to go into your Lesson 3 folder and click on the assignment icon. You will notice that there are 2 tabs, Assignment and Your Document. The assignment section again includes the rubric guidelines, so you can go through this and make sure that you have included all criteria as necessary. In order to access the specific slides document, click on My Document. Here you will see the assignment pop up directly in Google Slides. Please make sure that you read the information below and answer the background information questions, then follow the instructions to convey your findings in this slideshow presentation. Note, each slide with a star requires you to add information. Here you will read, what is ENSO? Based on this information, you will answer the following 3 questions. What is El Niño? What is La Niña? How do El Niño and La Niña differ? The following slide focuses on United States impacts. As you read this, you should be able to answer the following information. Based on the wintertime La Niña weather map, what do you think Florida's temperature and precipitation would be like during a winter El Niño event? After, read information about global impacts. Then, you will take a look at the map and choose one region on the world map. Answer the following question. How does the climate there differ during El Niño and La Niña? The last section is the aftermath. You will answer the last question, which is to select one of the effects from the list. Explain how the El Niño event affected weather, food production, water supply, or human health. What is a possible solution to reduce the damaging effects? Here is where your slide slide building comes into play. Once you have selected a program of your choice, you are going to create this presentation with added images that will help illustrate your answers. You'll make sure to cite the sources of the images. Follow this template below to help you. For the first slide, this is going to include your introduction. You will describe what El Niño and La Niña is in your own words. Make sure that you add at least one image to this slide. The second slide is a compare and contrast slide. Here, explain how El Niño and La Niña differ. Be sure to add at least one image to clarify the differences. The data analysis slide should explain how the climate in a specific region differ during El Niño and La Niña. Make sure that you are including an image for this slide as well, displaying the climate differences. Effects. Describe how an El Niño or La Niña event affected at least one of the following: weather, food production, water supply, or human health. Include an image that displays this. Make sure that you are citing each of your slide images as well. Conclusion. Provide a possible solution to reduce the damaging effects of an El Niño or La Niña event. Last, include your images and your citations. There's a slide at the very end of this to help you with your citations as well, but I do want to direct you to the very beginning of your instructions. This link here will take you to the APA and MLA format. There are 2 videos available for your watching that can help to assist with these. Make sure to watch both in order to provide additional assistance. Once you have completed all necessary changes, please click the Submit Assignment button. If for any reason you need to edit prior to submitting, you can always go back to your information by clicking on the Edit button, and it will pull up your slides in a separate tab. Alright, if you have any questions, simply send me a message on Google Hangouts. We'll talk to you soon and have a wonderful day.